Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make slowed and reverb audio effects using CapCut. This is perfect if you're looking to give your audio that chill, relaxed vibe. Start by importing your audio or video. Then click and drag it to your timeline. Next, you'll want to move the playhead to the section of the song or sound that you want to slow down and add reverb to. Then click the split button. Then move the playhead to the end of that section. Click the split button again. This ensures that the other parts of the sound clip are not affected. Next, select the audio clip and head over to the settings panel. Then look for the speed menu. Once you're in the speed settings, adjust the speed to around 0.8x or slower, depending on how dramatic you want the effect to be. Be sure to toggle on the Keep Pitch option to keep the audio from sounding too deep or unnatural when you slow it down. After adjusting the speed, head over to the Voice Changer menu. This is where we'll add the reverb. Scroll down until you find an effect called Mic Hog. Click on it, and then you can fine-tune it by adjusting the room size and strength. I usually set the room size to around 70 to 80, and the strength to about 30 to 40. But feel free to experiment and customize it to match the sound you're going for. Once you're happy with the settings, play back your clip to see how it sounds with the slowed and reverb effect.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow.
You can always go back and tweak it if needed. That's it. Now you've successfully added a slowed and reverb effect to your audio in CapCut. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.